We'll guide you through how to fix the pop-up cannot get email, mail server not responding on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when you go and get the pop-up, cannot get mail, the mail server is not responding. It means that the server is not working and it's unable to go and get your mail. So it also means you aren't going to be able to go and check those emails as well. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss the resolution that solves this problem for you. So to go and get started, what you want to do is head to the top right of the iPhone and find the battery icon. What you want to do is you want to go and drag down like so, and you want to try turning on airplane mode just for a couple of seconds, and then we can go and turn it back off. It will then go and reconnect, and sometimes this can go and resolve the problem. Hopefully it does. However, if it doesn't, the next thing we're going to try doing is coming to our settings. What you want to do is just make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs. Sometimes this can go and cause problems. So if you know you are, you can go into the VPN app to potentially go and turn it off there. Or what you want to do is go and scroll down and go and find General, scroll down here and find VPN and device management. You can go and see here, I'm currently not connected. If you are, go and disconnect, as I said. Then you can go and see if that goes and resolves the problem. Hopefully it does. If that still isn't working, the next thing you want to try doing is we need to come and scroll down and find the option for apps. Then in apps, we need to go and scroll down and we need to go and find the option for mail. This is alphabetical, by the way, so we can come down to M and we can then go and find mail in here. Now, what you want to do is go and tap on mail accounts and go and tap on the account this is happening with. For example, let's say it's happening with my Gmail, I'll go and tap there. Then you can come down, find account settings, find advanced. Now, what some people have said to solve the problem is by switching off, use SSL. So you can try switching that off and go back and see if it's solved. If it's currently turned off, you could try turning it on. And you can go and see if that goes and solves the problem. So basically just do the opposite of what it currently is, and you can then come back and you can return to mail and go and see if you can then successfully refresh, and hopefully the pop-up will then go and stop. However, if you still find it's happening, what you want to do is come back to where we are in the mail. So come back to the mail app and come to mail accounts, and then you want to go and find Gmail. What we're going to do is press delete account. Now, don't worry, you aren't permanently deleting it here. Essentially, it's deleting it off of the iPhone. So you can go and press delete from my iPhone, it removes it. Go and wait. And then what we can do is we can go and press add account, and you can then go and enter in your email address. So let's go and type that in now. Then we'll go and press the arrow in the bottom right and press open in browser, and we can go and continue signing in here. As you can see, we're signing back in. I'll go and press continue, and you can then go and choose what you want here. I'll have email and contacts, press save. So sometimes going and signing out and signing back in, essentially you can solve it. So hopefully with the help of this video, we'll then need to press back button on the top left so we can come back down and find Gmail. It will take a moment or two to go and get all the emails again, but hopefully with the help of this, the problem is now solved. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this.